This is AI News Radio Feed. Reporting. Special Counsel Jack Smith is reportedly in active discussions with top Department of Justice officials about how to end his prosecutions of President-elect Donald Trump, according to sources familiar with the situation. The move is rooted in a long-standing DOJ policy that prevents a sitting president from facing criminal charges while in office. As of now, it's unclear how Smith's team will proceed with dropping the federal election subversion case in Washington, D.C., or with their ongoing appeal of Judge Aileen Cannon's decision to dismiss the classified documents case. Trump, meanwhile, has repeatedly expressed his intention to dismiss Smith if he takes office, telling The Hugh Hewitt Show on October 24th, "We got immunity at the Supreme Court. It's so easy. I would fire him within 2 seconds." However, under DOJ policy, prosecuting a sitting president would be prohibited, rendering a firing unnecessary. Smith, appointed by Attorney General Merrick Garland in November 2022, has led investigations into Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election and the alleged unlawful possession of classified documents taken from the White House. On June 8, 2023, Smith's office indicted Trump on charges of retaining classified documents and obstructing government efforts to recover them. Trump pleaded not guilty to these charges in federal court in Florida. Later, on August 1, 2023, he was charged with 4 felony counts tied to efforts to overturn the 2020 election results and again pleaded not guilty. These cases encountered new challenges after a Supreme Court decision this summer granted sitting presidents partial immunity from prosecution. The election interference case was sent back to a lower court, while Cannon, a Trump appointee, dismissed the classified documents case, ruling Smith's appointment was unconstitutional due to his not being appointed by the president or confirmed by Congress. Meanwhile, in Georgia, the Fulton County District Attorney's Office declined to comment on their case against Trump for alleged election interference in the 2020 election, pending an appeals court decision on December 6th regarding District Attorney Fani Willis's role in the case. The appeal centers on whether a significant appearance of impropriety from a personal relationship between Willis and a prosecutor on her team could disqualify her from the case. In New York, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office also withheld comment on Trump's upcoming sentencing for falsifying business records related to hush money payments to adult film actress Stormy Daniels during the 2016 election campaign. Trump's sentencing is scheduled for November 26th. Additionally, Trump faces a pending appeal over a nearly $500 million civil fraud judgment from New York Attorney General Letitia James. "No matter what the next administration throws at us, we're ready," James said Wednesday, emphasizing her office's commitment to standing against injustice, revenge, or retribution. Trump's financial liabilities continue with a $90 million judgment owed to former LA Magazine columnist E. Jean Carroll after 2 civil juries found Trump guilty of sexual assault and defamation in incidents from the 1990s. Roberta Kaplan, Carroll's attorney, reiterated that Trump's election does not affect the legal findings against him, affirming, "Mr. Trump's election to the presidency does nothing to change either the fact, as determined by 2 separate juries, that he sexually assaulted and defamed Ms. Carroll, or the applicable legal principles under which he was held liable." Stay tuned for more on this story and subscribe.